Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you very much for coming to watch this Destash that I'm going to do on some stamps. They're mostly stamps, but I do have some stamp and die sets also. So this one is these 8 little girls, and this is brand new. I got it not too long ago. They're 3 inches high, and I thought they were gonna be bigger, but they are really cute. I'm just not into tiny coloring and stamping. It's too much for me. Uh, I've decided that stamping is not my thing. And this is a nice one, and it was from Dollar Tree. Very nice with the sentiments that you see there and the flowers. This one is pretty cool because it has the stitch lines like you can sew, which I cannot. And I probably should keep this actually, but no, I'll let it go. This is from Global Land, and I don't know where Global Land has been lately. This is from Bo Bunny, and it has these 6 sentiments here. But that's nice. Thank you, my friend. Which we say all the time, and I like that one. Love is such a big word. It really should have more letters. And that one did get used. Most of these are brand new, um, but a couple of them have been used. This is new, and you can see everything it says there. I like that. Happy dance. That's really good. If you sent that to somebody that was celebrating in their birthday or their milestone on YouTube, I think that's really cute. Alright, this one is Halloween actually, and it is new. I bought this last year and never used it, and did not use it this year either. Let me see if this would be better to see this on. Maybe. So, there's a ghost here, a cat with a pumpkin, these sentiments. That's the spirit, it says. And these two, that's a candelabra, and that's a wreath with a bat on it. That's hard to see that. Sorry about that. Alright, this one is for a sweet celebration. It says, "You're the cherry on top." I think this says, "Be my Valentine" there. Celebrate. And then you have these ice creams with the spoon and the straws. Let's see if we can see it better on this side. Not really. Alright. This one's really cute with these unicorns. And you have clouds and cupcakes and rainbows. Wishing you a day that sparkles. Magical birthday wishes. And these little unicorns are really cute. I like that. And this one is some houses. And we have the lamppost, a Christmas tree, a bigger Christmas tree, another tree with no leaves, and beep beep, the Volkswagen Beetle there, and then these 4 houses. That one, that one, that one. That's really cute. I wonder why I never used that. It's mostly a matter of time. I just don't have time to use all this stuff that should be used. So this is a Heidi Swap one with some encouraging sentiments up there. Hello, cherish each day. And it says, "I documented your heart." Huh? Okay. This is Vicky Booten. Hello, sunshine. We have some sunflowers, leaves, butterflies, hearts. It says, "Oh, happy day," and celebrate. Here is a bunch of sentiments. Oops. I'll just let you read all those. Oh, you're the most thoughtful person I know. I hope this brightens your day. That would be nice to stamp on someone's envelope that you're mailing out. That's really cute. Alright, this one is from Hero Arts. Oops, might have to go with this one now. And this is, "Dang girl, you're beautiful. I can't thank you enough, but it won't stop me from trying. You really are the best." And then we have all these leaves and florals, flowers. Very nice. This is a rubber stamp of these 4th of July kids. Doraline and Dexter. So I've never stamped with one of these stamps here. I don't even know. Do you put it on a wooden block? I don't know. Alright, this one is a stamp and die set with the mason jars and the label and the little notepad that's lined, "Made with love, garden fresh from," and the dies are in here. You have a die for the labels and a die for the jar. Alright, here's another one with a bunch of sentiments. "Hello, thanks. I will always be here for you. Congratulations," and a little note. And I do not know what this is. I have no idea. Alright. This is a girl doing her yoga or whatever it is. She's meditating, I think. And this is a picture of her there. It has a little dragonfly there, flowers, that little design. And she's just beautiful. And she's holding a bird. Is that a bird or a shell? I can't tell. Let's see. It's a bird. And oh, I would be so happy if I could color like that. If I could, I would keep that. This one is some coffee breakfast icons. So you have coffee, pot and cup, croissant, cupcake, a donut, and flower bag, and it has the little faces that you can put on here also. So that would be nice for a sweet treat swap. And this one just says hello with the flowers. Simple enough. Alright, and this one says Easter, but you could use this probably any time of year except for a few of the words. So that does say Easter. You have the big tree, honey, bunny, sending, hugs, Hoppy. And we have the music note. And these say "You're special," and I can't read those tiny ones, but that's cute. Oh, and it does say Easter there, if I didn't mention that. So this is a stamp. I think this is just the stamp, and it's this one with, it's never been opened, so I hate to open it. So it comes with the wreath and these ornaments, a pine cone, that corner piece. So yeah, it says collage or layered. Okay. This one is one that comes with the die. So we have "You are awesome. You're never more than a thought away. All of me loves all of you." This one, "Wishing you a lovely birthday." And here's the die that goes with that. That's a nice set. And this one is a die and stamp set. Let's see. Have a fabulous day. Oh, hope your day is full of joy. We have like a birdhouse, a bee's nest, best birthday, home is where the heart is. Okay, then we have some flowers, hearts, butterflies, and the dies are on this side. And this, I think this is just the stamps. Yeah, so this is a layering die. A layering stamp. So there's the circle, and I guess you layer these on top of that. This is where you put your sentiment. There's some tassels. Welcome, loved, blessed, and special. Cute. Alright, this one is some little ponies or horses. Yeah, they're cute too. And it says galloping by to say hi. Hee haw, you're the best. And it comes with those two little horses and these dies here. Has this been opened? Yeah. Okay, so there's the dies. And these are the stamps. Oh, there's a bunny. Is that a bunny? No, it's a horse sitting down. Oh my gosh. This is why I don't stamp. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, let's keep those together. This is another stamp and die for birthday. Congrats, thank you, feel better soon. And there's 6 nesting frame dies there. So, very cute. And I think this is the last one. This is Hello Fall, and I don't do much fall crafting, if any. So, happy harvest, hello fall. Have all these carrots and corn, pumpkins and gourds, mushrooms and acorns and branches. And these are very small. Like, here are the dies that go with it. These little teeny pieces. So, it will make a nice set for somebody. Or as a gift for somebody. So that is my stamp tea stash for today, and I am asking $60, and I will pay the shipping. Okay, so thank you. Send me an email and just put in the title stamps, and I'll know you're interested. And the first person that emails me and makes their payment in like an hour will have it, okay? And the other D-stash I did, if you're interested in that, put dies in the title of your email and I'll know you want that one, okay? Thanks.